Hello YouTube, this is Emmanuel from Emmanuel Landscape. Right now we're about to do a cold start with the Scag V-Ride 2. This mower has been sitting since, I would say, October. I didn't start it up since. I checked the oil level is fine, hydro is fine, everything's fine. Got a half a tank of fuel in it. And now we're going to do a cold start. Like I said, this mower has been sitting since October. Let's see what she do. Pretty much I'm pulling everything out, cleaning the storage unit up.